everyone. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in English grammar, that is change the voice. To understand the concept of change the voice, we should first understand what is voice. So let's begin. Voice is the form of a verb that indicates whether subject of the sentence performs the action or receives the action. Let us understand it in detail. Here we can understand what is active voice. Subject of the sentence performs the action, then it is active voice. For example, I'll write a sentence here. I eat mangoes. In this sentence, eat is a verb and I is subject, and you can easily understand mangoes is object. Now in this sentence, subject of the sentence is performing the action eat. Action is eat. Who is performing the action? I. The subject is performing the action. That's why this sentence is in active voice. Look at another sentence. Mangoes are eaten by me. Who is the subject of the sentence? Eaten is a verb. Who is eating? Me. So me is subject in the sentence. Now let us understand. Let us decide whether this me is receiving the action or is performing the action of eating. If we read the sentence, mangoes are eaten by me. Eaten by me. Now here, me is receiving the action of eating. That's why this sentence is in passive voice. Now, I'll tell you how to convert the sentence, how to change the voice, how to change the voice from active to passive. In this short video, we will only see how to convert, how to change the active voice sentences into passive voice sentences. Sentence number 1 is, the man broke the window. We have to convert this active voice sentence into passive. The man broke the window. First step in understanding, in changing the voice, is to understand the parts of the sentence. Parts of the sentence means what is the subject of the sentence, what is the verb, and what is the object. Let us understand. When we are looking at the parts of the sentence, first and most important thing or the easy thing is to find the verb in the sentence. What is verb? Verb is action word that shows the action. The man broke the window. What is the action? Broke. This is verb. Now find the subject. How to find the subject? Ask the question who to the verb and the answer will be your subject. Who broke? The man. This is subject. And how to find the object? Ask the question what to the verb and the answer will be object. Broke. What is broken? The window. The window is object. So we have found subject, verb and object in this sentence. What is the next step? Next step is to convert this sentence into passive voice. That is changing the word order of the sentence. How to change the word order? Let us see. It is written here. We will first write object, then helping verb, then third form of the verb, then by, and at last we will write the subject. Broke is verb, the man is subject, the window is object. So let's start the sentence with object. What is the object? The window. The window. Now using the helping verb. We will use the helping verb of be in this sentence. What are the helping verbs of be? Am, is, are, was and were. These are the helping verbs of be. So, while deciding which helping verb to be used, we should first see what is the tense of the verb in the sentence. Broke. It is in the past tense because break is the present tense of this verb. Now we have already decided that the verb is in the past tense, so we will use the helping verb of past tense. These three helping verbs are used for present tense. Am, is and are. Was and were are used for past tense. So broke is in past tense. We will use either was or were. These are the singular helping verbs and these are plural. Am, is, was are singular. Are and were are plural. We will see the object, the window. If it is singular, we will use singular helping verb. If it is plural, we will use plural helping verb. Window is singular, so we will use was. The window was. Third form of the verb, that is past participle form of the verb. What is the past participle form of the verb? Broke, that is broken. Then we will write by and at last the subject. The subject is the man. So our answer is the window was broken by the man. Let us see another example. They built a house. What is the first step while changing the active voice sentence into passive voice? That is deciding the parts of the sentence. Built is a verb. Who built? They. They is subject. What? That is, what is built? A house, that is object. How to write? First of all, you will write object, that is a house. Now decide the helping verb. Built is in past tense because its present tense is built. So past tense helping verb are was and were. So we will either use was or were. A house. If this is singular, we will use was. If it is plural, we will use were. House is singular, so we will use was. A house was. Third form, that is past participle of built, it is built itself. Then by and at last subject. Subject is they. Remember, they is a pronoun. There are two types of pronoun. One is subjective pronoun and other is objective pronoun. If the pronoun comes at the place of the subject, you will use subjective pronoun, that is they, and if it comes at the place of the object, we will use objective pronoun, that is them. So while writing they at the place of object, we will write them. This is the answer.